Yeah.
Hey, oh boy. You get it either way.
That's what she said. Very interesting for that.
Jesus.
Ooh.
That was supposed to go in at a meeting. Ooh, that was going in at a check. What are you doing shooting at my goalie like that? Cut it out!
Oh man,
I'm
what I
nervous.
got my goalie shooting like that shit.
Move him out of the way. Okay. I'll try it. Look at him like that. But I tried it. Yikes!
Oh. 4 minutes.
See, I showed you too much last game. Now you're all looking. Wow, it's not bad. Shit! Oh, thank you. What?
God!
I don't have a thin tire like Lake does.
Great.
Oh, I'm sorry. Say what?
Oh!
No, I was just trying to shoot it. Well, I need a little work on that one.
I got it.
That fast too? Okay. Yikes! What am I doing here?
Oh shit.
You just want to tease me with that little hole, don't you?
That doesn't sound good at all, Mr. So,
No, that.
Ah,
Oh!
Dave, are you serious?
I'm over there listening to that shit y'all talking.
Brian's getting excited over there, giving goals. Oh. Brian's like, I was watching Cinemax. I said the same thing last night. And this is why Kevin spends hours editing every week. The shit we say would not be allowed on TV. Whoa! Thank you.
Oh!
Oh, great, my goalie blocked that. I was knocked it in.
4-1.
Ah, I swung on a must. I must? I must say I must. But apparently I must. I just want it down the ice. That's not down the ice. That's down the ice.
Oh, sheesh.
Do you see how different I'm outside? I'm awesome. You should fear me.
1 minute.
Can you leave the net a little more wide open so I can miss the shot? Please?
God! Doing the same little shit. Oh, 30 seconds. 20 seconds.
Oh!
5, 4, 3,
Oh!
1.
Good game. I couldn't get shit.